Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make a professional video fully in Canva and in Canva free. So this is the video what you are seeing. I have made it a bit fast forward so that I don't waste your precious time and show you how to make it. And this is a requested video by Deepthi ma'am, who asked me in my last video which I made on 3D characters, that if I could make a professional video solely in Canva or not. So thank you ma'am for asking it, and at the end of the video I am sure I can solve your problem and keep your request with this video. So let's get started. So before that I will be requesting you that we have started a group, an official group for the Canva learners and designers, and those who want to showcase their own designs, please join this group. The group link will be in the description, and learn from all the creators out there in this group and improve your designs. So let's get started now. So we will be choosing YouTube thumbnail as our canvas. So let's start with it. We will be choosing a blank YouTube thumbnail here, and let's get started here. So for the first we will be choosing a default color for our background. So let's keep it that way. Let's make it a bit on the dark side, and let's get started now. So in the elements we will be writing here explainer video. Okay, and now we will go to graphics here, and as you can see all these tools or these elements you can use for free. So let's get started. So first we will choose this one, the 3% talking here. We will choose this and make it smaller and put it here. Okay, so let's write here. We will choose add a subheading here, and we will write like I have written here, that are you looking for new clients for your business? So let's make it white color. So we have made it. Now let's split it. We have split to 3 lines, and let's make it bigger by stretching on the corners. You can either do it by stretching or you can directly change it from here as you wish. So we have made it this way, and let's make it in bold so that it's visible here. So this is the first slide, and after that I will also show that how to add a highlighter behind the characters or the elements used. So first let me complete the slides, and after that I will show the highlighting process. So stay with me. So let's make this second slide. Like we have first asked that are you looking for new clients for your business. Now it is the audience who are looking for new business. They will understand the question, and next they will ask that how we are planning to do it. So we will then say that we'll bring a mic here. Let's make it smaller. Okay, so like we will write here, we will just copy the text process so that we can use the same text format here also, because if you are making a professional video, the same font or the same size is the most important thing for your videos. So we will write here. So we will be starting to provide them with a solution. So as I have written here, that we can help you reach new people with our marketing process. Like now we will split it. in 4 lines and keep it here. So for the next line we will share that what are the solutions we are going to give them. So for that we will be choosing 3 icons. Let's make it smaller. So now we will write here, there we'll use add a heading that our marketing process consists of, and we'll use Ctrl A to copy the select the whole text and change the color to white. Okay, now we'll stretch it to the above of the slide, and now we'll add here 3 points using add a heading. Move it a bit upside, and now we'll copy it and paste it here. Now we'll write it here, social media, and we'll paste another one here, and we'll write here local marketing. So we have given them 3 style of marketing. Now we will tell them that how they can get help from this. So we will copy this font and this style and we'll write it here, but before that we will be adding another element. So let's add this one. Now we'll use Ctrl A to select all the text. We'll write so that you can reach your target audience. So we will break the lines and we will write it like that, so that we can in this create a pyramid which also shows that you are rising high here. So that's why we have used a localized process, like the icons are showing that you are targeting through social media and local marketing. So in the 5th slide we'll tell them how to contact us. Like I'm just writing here with let's see, I get this one. Okay, so we'll write a message icon here, and we'll write okay, so you can write here contact us and let's get started. You can add your like company link or mobile number or WhatsApp number, whatever you want, like you can add it here and you can finish the slide. But the main thing which I told you in the starting of the video, that you want to highlight this process. So what to do? So you will be coming here in the elements again, so you will write here blog and click OK, and we will come here and click this. Let's make it smaller and send to back. See, the first one got highlighted, and for the second one I will change the icon as it is coming in magic recommendations, as you can see, and I will use this one. Make it smaller again and send to back. Okay, so these are already highlighted, so you don't need to highlight because the text are already doing the part of the highlighting one. So you have to highlight this one, so you will use this one again. Send to back. This one is also done. Let's use this one for this and send to back. Okay, so this is done, and if you want you can also use this animate effect here. Like I am adding in the first slide, I am adding typewriter. Next one I am adding burst. In the fourth one I am adding bounce. And in the fifth one I am adding skate. In the third one we are not adding anything because all the text needs to show off, and the timing will be a problem for the client to see the professional video. So we are not adding any type of animate effect in here. So as you can see, all the you can adjust the timings here. Like I will keep by default 8 because it will help the client understand that video. I will keep every slide as 8. If you want, you can change it to any timings. Like you can change the slider, or you can just directly put it here. So as you can see, 5 slides of 8 seconds means 40 seconds. So let's see how the video looks. So as you can see, the video looks good for the professional look, and you can use any process for free in this tutorial, and hope I could help you with making a professional look video solely designed in Canva and in Canva free process. Hope you can get help from this, and please subscribe to the channel so that we can bring in new tutorials. And if you want a specific tutorial, like you are facing any type of problem for any specific video, please contact us. Like in this video, Deepti ma'am contacted us, and we can try our level best to make a tutorial for you to help you out with. Thank you.